Hello Violas! Today we're going to be working on page 23 and we will continue using the low first finger on the A string for B flat, low first finger on the D string for E flat, and then also the low second finger on the G string for B flat. So we're going to be playing in the key of B flat major quite a bit on this page and kind of learn how that works for our finger patterns. But first let's go ahead and review those notes through exercise 103, which is called Hiking Along. So just be really careful about the placement of those fingers when you are doing the low first finger, and remember there is a space between each of these two finger groups, so between first and second, also between second and third in this key. Now, the rest of the songs on this page have the key signature for B flat major, which indicates that all the B's are going to be B flat and all the E's are going to be E flat. So just get used to using your low first finger, also low second finger when you play B flat on the G string. Let's go ahead and warm up with the B flat major scale as notated in exercise 104. Good job. And the next one is a song called Slovakian Folk Song. And this one throws in some eighth notes, and all of the notes in this one are in the key of B flat major. So we're going to start on the open D string, but just don't forget to play those lowered first and second notes for B flat and E flat throughout this one. Nicely done. And the next one is called Cavalier Country. This one has staccato quarter notes. So remember, when there is a dot over or under the note head aligned vertically with the note, that means the note is played short and separated. So we're going to use really quick bow strokes. So make sure you use some fast bows for that and leave some time to stop the bow between the notes so that you can give it that nice separation that they're asking for. Here we go. Number 106, Cavalier Country. Brings us to the last one on this page, the Essential Elements quiz, number 107. Now this one's got a couple of things to watch out for. You have some hooked bowing. So for example, in the first measure you play a down bow on B flat and then two up bows. So you want to separate those notes by stopping the bow on the string between them, and that's what they ask you to do when they put the staccato in conjunction with a slur or a tie. And then when you get to the second line, measure 6, there is a ritardando, and that tells you to gradually slow down there. There is a fermata over beat 3, which tells you to hold that note out longer. So you're just going to really need to listen when you're playing along and just know that they're going to be really stretching that note. And then the next measure is back in tempo. A tempo is what they write when they want you to return to the original tempo. So listen for the tempo changes in the second line and make sure that you do those hooked bowings that happen kind of throughout. Let's go ahead and play this one. Number 107. enjoyed learning the key of B flat major and the low first finger notes. Remember, when you are learning to play in a new key, your priority really needs to be listening and then matching the pitch. So don't forget to make those adjustments in the finger pattern. Know where those new notes are in relation to the tapes that you might have on your fingerboard. They're probably not going to be on those tapes, but if you know which tapes they're in between, that will help you to find them. But ultimately, it's really your ear that needs to guide you to the pitch. So make sure that you are taking the time to adjust and slide your finger up and down so that it sounds in tune. And be patient with yourself, because it does take some time to get the fingers to really learn how to adjust while you play. So just keep working at it, and good luck and happy practicing.